Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. So I'm the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, October the 21st, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's just see what we left with the market yesterday. So SPX, guys, look at that. Really, just a hop, skip, and a jump away from all-time highs here as we just devoured last month's bearish engulfing candle. Weekly chart pushing its way up over the mid-Bollinger Band. Daily chart just gap go. So this is just what the market likes to do, and it starts working its way back up. Again, this close right here was significant above the 50-day moving average. Right, came right back to the double inside day range, and once we started to gap up there, right, just the trend just continued. Right, so we were not not ignorant to this fact, right, with our wave counts, right? So we had the 1-2-1-2 right here. Once we got the gap up, we were pretty sure we were working on a wave 3, and that wave 3 still continued to move up here. We're finally starting to calm down a little bit. We had a bit of a pause day yesterday. Futures down a little bit here this morning, so we may be starting a wave 4. I'm thinking I have it at the 382, which is a typical wave 4 retrace, but more than likely, I think we're probably going to triangulate and then get a wave 5 up to all-time highs. But we'll see how that ends up playing out. Let's take a look at the SPY here this morning and see how that's looking. So let's see, we've got basically just kind of, like I said, kind of triangulating here today, but we still could get some sort of ABC pullback for a larger wave 4 down. Very possible. But again, just the way the chop has been here the last couple days, it kind of feels triangular. Again, same thing here with the S&P futures triangulating here this morning. Again, under the overnight lows, right? We could test some levels below, over the overnight highs. We could test some levels above. MES, again, same thing, right? So just kind of keep an eye on the geometric lines and how the triangle's going here today. For the Qs, again, basically just a nice little bounce here this morning, so that stretched out our geo line that we had from the other day in the bubble report. IWM, again, kind of looking a little bear flaggish here, just with the gap down, a little bear flag, but it might just bounce off of the lower triangle here as well. XLF, fresh all-time highs yesterday, down a little bit this morning. Again, markets had a big run up right here, so not surprised to see. And yesterday was actually the first increasing volume day, so it's kind of funny. Each day gapped up on lower volume, just continued to push. And yesterday is the first increased volume day, so it's like everybody's like, oh, okay, yeah, this market's really going good, and then it gaps down here this morning. So I think it's kind of interesting psychologically with the volume. But VIX gapping up a little bit here this morning. It's been holding generally kind of this 1550 level, so we'll see how that goes here going into today. Apple just kind of sideways here this morning, but holding a signal zone here going into today. Tesla earnings last night and really flat, guys. We talked about selling premium on this one after we saw the Netflix move that wasn't too extreme. Tesla looked like it was a premium seller. Our preference, of course, was on the bullish side, so selling put spreads about 80 points out of the money, more than double the market maker range. Should bank this morning on the vol crush. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here this morning. Again, just again another big push yesterday, fresh all-time highs, right? Kind of an inside day here so far, but holding the ADMA, holding the new geometric line. Because we have fresh highs, we have fresh trend lines, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.